Skibidi Toilet Multiverse is already out, and there is a lot to cover in this episode. But today we are going to consider a really interesting thing which has caught many viewers' eye, and that is the Astral Sword. The Astral Sword was previously owned by the strongest Titan in the whole multiverse, which is the Clock Titan from the multiverse of the Saviors. And nobody really expected that there would be such a sword called the Astral Sword, because the powers of the Astral Sword is actually way more than you can ever imagine. This sword not only looks cool, but is so strong that even Sinister could not hold it. And by that, I mean the wounds of this sword are really permanent. You cannot rewind time to heal this wound, or you can go in back time and just do some stuff to save yourself. The cut this sword makes is permanent for eternity. There's actually no way to reverse this sword's damage, which we can see in the episode where the Titan Clockman fights the Sinister Titan, because when the Sinister attacks his sword breaks in two parts and he can never heal his sword again. That's why we still see him using his half-cut sword, which proves that the Astral Sword's cut is actually permanent. And this was proved by many aspects, and even the Savior Clock Largeman was confirming this. Now, let's see how strong it really is and what happened to it. As you know, the Large Clockman said that there is only one of this sword in the multiverse, and that sword is already lost. He told us who this song belonged to, but he did not tell us where it went. And we still didn't know where it was until when Sinister appears. We can clearly see when he killed the clockwise, we can see that the sword he is wielding is indeed the Astral Sword, which means the Sinister Titan defeated the Clock Titan in the Savior multiverse and took the Astral Sword, which clearly means there's no way to defeat Sinister easily anymore, because if not for the Astral Sword, there was no way anyone could ever separate his arm. It was indeed the Astral Sword that cut off his arm, and that is really terrifying. That's why the Sinister Titan didn't really actually give a care to anything else except for this sword. He didn't care if anyone else ruined his plan, but he had to get rid of this sword from the owner, because if this wasn't his hand, it was really possible to kill him, because the Astral Sword is the only thing that can really kill Sinister easily. And Sinister, of course, knows this. That's why he's also very cautious about this. And he should be. But now the question is, how can we defeat Sinister at all? For me, there's only two possibilities. One is the Large Clockman in the main universe should just go back in time and tell Chief to not revive him. Second, they should take back the Astral Sword from Sinister, which will be almost impossible, but not impossible. We can see that Sinister is not the best in the whole multiverse at fighting, and with enough manpower and with enough titans, he can be overwhelmed. And judging by the fact that there are so many titans in the multiverse, you can just imagine how many titans are going to join them. So Sinister can be brought down in combat, but with his illusions and many tricks, he cannot really be an easy foe. So you can just hope that you get Astral Sword as soon as possible, if you even are enough to kill him or even damage him, because unless the Astral Sword is retrieved, there is no way that Sinister is going to give done. So basically, the Astral Sword is one of our only hopes, and we can only hope that someone takes it from him. And we don't really wanna see Sinister lose, to be honest, because he is one of my favorite characters. But by the way, guys, we haven't seen G-Man Apocalypse in a long time. What do you think is happening to him? He might be in a little bit trouble after the Titans went inside him. But comment what you think about the Sinister Titan and the G-Man Apocalypse. And I really think that the G-Man Apocalypse is going to fight Sinister Titan, or maybe get defeated even before he does anything.